So today I will be assembling a mannequin that we've ordered online. I've never done this before, but this should be quite challenging. It was very challenging trying to hold a plastic mannequin that weighed nothing, and it was very difficult to do by myself. But I managed to unbox it. It took me a while, but I used my feet and both of my feet and both of my hands to piece them all together. But I had to assemble this mannequin so I could take and shoot some product photography for lingerie that I sell online. I will post the store link in my description, but take a look at our store. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video just to show you guys the real life struggle of assembling things by yourself. Enjoy.